I'm a strategist, I'm a catalyst, and it's always like I'm a crisis manager, so that is like, you gotta be fast, So Laminin had helped me. And before, you see, I'm part Asian, part American. My father is American-Irish, and my mother is Filipino-Chinese. So I have the Asian passion and the Irish temper. So, Laminin.
I agree.
So it's a very dangerous combination. So my sister knows that. I flare up, But now I'm more normal. Okay. I was not normal. Laminin, believe me. And also, we're all adults here. No, under 18.
Yeah.
I'm over 50. Okay. And my mother used to tell me when you reach 50, you're not gonna have any desire anymore, and And indeed, it's true. So for the first time in my life, my mother also taught me that when your husband or your partner asks for food, you never say no, because he will go and eat in the restaurant. But when I reach 50, I always say no. Honey, I'll give you money to eat in the restaurant. So that's how bad it is. Believe me, it's real. And then after Laminin, after just like 3 weeks, wow, I have that. Gee, money, give me back the money. So, it really makes life worth, it's not like you're gonna run after men. I went in the Philippines and there's nobody there, but it's not like you're running after men, but it's a good feeling that you're a woman again, and muscles are getting toned. Also, I have in the Philippines, when I went there, brought products, gave samples away. I have a livelihood program I'm doing there. And there was this guy who came to the meeting with lumps, big lumps. And he was misdiagnosed for leprosy. They gave him medicine for leprosy. And he developed all these lumps. He came to with Bonet, and it's a very hot country, tropical, and lumps on the ears everywhere. And, he was almost teary-eyed. He went through all tests, got all the medicines, nothing helped. I gave him a box. And I said, try this. I don't promise you that it will do anything for you, but, the way that I understand, it could probably help you. But nothing wrong. It will not do you any harm. It's food, no chemical. It's not synthetic. Try it. You put in your mouth something that's chemical, even Tylenol. Why can you not put this in your mouth? It's just egg, And he did. After 10 days, I got a phone call. Crying. Now, I live in a very big village, high, flashy village in the Philippines, in Alabang. And the security guard would call me, I would come home till midnight, and would call me, Mom, you have a lot of visitors outside. Wow. I said, why? Are you sure they're looking for me? Mom, they mentioned your name, but they also mentioned the healer. You want to see the healer? So if you go to Manila, just ask for the healer, they'll show you where I live. So please try it.